Hey people, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple and easy process of Samsung S25 Ultra. How to set up custom ringtone. Whether you want a favorite song, a unique sound, or a personalized alert tone, this tutorial will help you customize your phone to suit your style. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung S25 Ultra. The Settings menu is your central hub for managing all essential options, including security, display, network, and sound settings. Once inside, scroll down and select Sounds and Vibration. Next, navigate to the Ringtone menu. Here you can add your custom ringtone. Tap the plus icon, browse your device storage, and select the audio file you want as your ringtone. Once chosen, save your selection and immediately set it as your default ringtone. Your Samsung S25 Ultra will now ring with your personalized tone whenever someone calls. This step-by-step guide ensures that even beginners can customize their phone easily and efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more practical tech tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from our channel.